Welcome to the Off-Grid series. We finally found our new home and we're gonna take you with us on our journey to restore it.
We bought this place a month ago. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll bring you along with us. I hope you'll enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to follow this journey.
Please do. Please do subscribe,
Please.
the annotations and...
The annotations? What is the annotations? This is episode 1, so...
Let's go!
Enthusiasm! Today we're gonna focus on clearing out all of that. All of that is bramble, thorns, and it's quite thick, it's quite high up, so we will need to clear it out because in 2 weeks we're gonna do the well. The company's gonna come and it's gonna puncture the ground and we're gonna have a well there.
Look at these thorns. You can't basically, you can't touch these things. Everything that we take is thorny. There's nothing without thorns.
Insane. is truly a battlefield. And those are the weapons. But we managed to clear out all this space, all of this brown area that you can see was full of brambles and thorns and thick, impenetrable, unforgiving plants. After 2 days, and this man is a gardening champion. This is incredible. Now we can see the house. Before, this was also here. So the house was hidden behind this mix of brambles and thorns and stuff. And we cleared a path there too. The fun thing is that we did everything with scythes and hand tools, such as these ones. And I complained a lot because I was like, we could call someone with a tractor. But in the end we made it. And Mike was right, we could do it. So we did it together, but he's the gardening champion. We established that. But I mean, I just want to show you because the thickness of this impenetrable.
So now we are at the storage house of our windows and doors that we're gonna pick up, and then we're gonna put them in the house. We're following the truck that is gonna get the windows that we're gonna install in our house.
The windows of the house are stored in this place because the previous owners were afraid someone would steal them. So the past years they've been standing stacked in this place, and we're gonna get them today.
Esta es la poza.
So exciting!
hammer on the top there.
Like that.
Yeah, I guess. Let's try.
Maybe we can
No,
just
because
try.
then we just measure it and buy the right ones for the next time.
Nice.
Like, how could something like that?
It's blowing from up there.
Alright, and then we chop some of this and then we put Wait, we have it on the bone. It's not open enough also.
I can.
Wait, that's so... Like, I have to come around there.
Titta det. Varsågod. We have to lift.
Okay, you look up this time, I look down. I think...
Perfect. We installed basically all of the windows and some of the doors, and we installed this door now here. Feels so such a milestone. I don't know. It's a really nice wooden door. Love it.
I wonder if there's a nest in here. Someone went in. Yeah, it should be a wooden piece down there also. Welcome to the off-grid series.
That's good.
We can finally
Yes!
show you.
Hello and welcome.
But basta with that lazy. In this series, we're going to take you with us to the new fucking home that we found. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling a bit here.
And
why are you looking at me after episode 1? Like,
okay.
Yeah, it's episode 1.
It's episode 1.
This is episode 1. Like,
It's
what
episode one.
what do you want me to say? Like, it is episode 1. We're gonna be in the episode. You can find us there. Stick around. And,
Working our ass
We're gonna
off.
work our asses off. Everyone is like, you should hire someone to do this
All the
for
time.
You.
Why
Yeah.
are they saying like they don't think that we're strong enough to not strong, capable. I don't know.
Most people around here, they have a machine for everything. And I will be the machine in this series. Even if my back would break, I will dig like long trenches by hand. I'm going to cut bushes with thorns.
We're good.
Welcome to the off-grid series.
Hope you'll enjoy it.
I hope we'll enjoy it. It's gonna be a long journey.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no one's gonna enjoy this series.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes. This is episode 1.